I'm saying goodbye to my RV. This is my first RV, and I am planning on selling it, which I already sold it, and tomorrow they're picking it up. And then I am going to be looking for a high top van, or a van that I can convert into an RV. And it's been a good RV. I just don't want to have to pull anything, and I want to, being a solo woman, I want to be able to get into my truck and take off when I need to leave, and not have to get out of the car and go around to the driver's side. So other than that, it's been a great RV. All right, I will let you know when it's done.
Well, as you can see, we're trying to learn how to back a trailer. Crystal is not doing too well, so we may have a camper for sale rather than long before we ever get her taught on how to back a trailer. We've been doing this now for about 45 minutes, and she is having trouble understanding the premises of how to put it between the lines. She's going to need a 40-acre field in which to camp in. So if anybody knows where a 40-acre field is, then she can just pull around and put her camper. It would be much appreciated. And God help us all.